Today, California's Attorney General has released a first-of-its-kind gun violence prevention report.
KTLA 5's Pedro Rivera joining us here in the studio with the details. Pedro?
Yeah, you're exactly right. Rob Bonta is calling it a first-of-its-kind report. The newly formed Office of Gun Violence Prevention released its first data findings. They claim the report helps highlight the policies that are working and where more work is needed.
Gun violence is truly America's disease.
There are more than 116 gun deaths per day across the United States. But Tuesday, California Attorney General Rob Bonta said his office is working to bring that number down.
I and we choose to change the trajectory of where we've been and to end the gun violence epidemic.
Since it was established in September of last year, the DOJ's Office of Gun Violence Prevention is releasing data on how the state is reducing gun violence. It shows California's firearm homicide rate is now 33% below the rest of the country.
If the national gun death rate matched California's gun death rate over the last 10 years, nearly 140,000 Americans who have died from gun violence would still be with us today.
The report claims gun violence among people 25 and younger has dropped significantly in California versus other large states. In 2022, California has a youth homicide rate of 3.3 per 100,000 residents. That number is almost half the rate of Texas and Florida.
It is a direct result of our nation-leading common sense, data-driven gun laws and prevention policies that are intentional.
Although Bonta touts the state's effort as a success, he does highlight some of the challenges. According to the OGVP data, in 2021, 50.4% of firearms recovered by law enforcement in California were traced back to dealers outside of the state. While ghost guns used in crimes have increased nationwide, California has been able to reduce the number of ghost guns recovered. Speaking in front of Homeboy Industries Tuesday, local leaders say the report also highlights the need to protect communities of color that are disproportionately impacted by gun violence.
The safety in our communities needs to be different. It needs to be tailored, and it needs to be specifically invested in to have tailored strategies to create peace and safety that our communities deserve.
Tomorrow, the Office of Gun Violence Prevention will hold a webinar at 10 a.m. to talk about this report. If you would like to join that webinar or look at this report in its entirety, you can go to ktla.com. We have a link on our website. Live in studio, I'm Pedro Rivera. Back to you.